So, guys, have you heard people talking about Claude Skills, but you're not sure what they actually are? Well, in this video, I'll explain Claude Skills in simple terms and show you how they work and demonstrate how you can use them to make your Claude more powerful and efficient. Basically, we have to understand what Claude Skills are first. So, Claude Skills are reusable instructions, workflows, and capabilities that you can give to Claude so it performs specific tasks more consistently. Things like repeating instructions in every chat. Without those skills, you would struggle. But with those skills, you just save your instructions once and reuse them at any time. Think of skills as custom expertise that you can add to Claude. It's a way of communicating with Claude so you can generate unique content using the platform. So, why should you actually make use of Claude Skills? Claude Skills save you time and they also improve consistency of your work. The benefits are faster responses, consistent outputs, better overall workflow, and less repetitive prompting and specialized assistance. So instead of explaining the same requirements repeatedly, Claude can remember how you want a task handled and apply that to future tasks or to revisited tasks. All right, so how does the Claude skill work? How do you make use of it? A skill usually contains instructions that tell Claude how to behave when performing a specific task. So let's say you're a YouTube scriptwriter now. Your instruction would be to tell Claude to write engaging hooks, use simple language, add clear instructions, and include a call to action. And to make this a more unique experience, we can also tell Claude to add funny whips in French. So we could have something in French included into our scripts. That way we have a unique conversation with Claude that we can simply apply to different topics. And then you can also make it in a way that Claude only uses those formats on special occasions. So let's say you prompt Claude in a way that you use the asterisk or the sign or dollar symbol, and once those symbols are used, Claude knows where to add those jokes and where not to add those jokes, something of that sort. So whenever you activate that skill, Claude then follows those guidelines automatically. So let me give you an example. So let's say we want to build a content creation skill. We could look at content creation as a whole topic, but we're going to be aiming for the skills alone. So we could tell Claude to create a YouTube script that uses high retention hooks and is written for beginners and also includes step-by-step explanations and ends with a French joke. So I'm just going to write that in here. All right, so here I told Claude to create a YouTube script that includes a high retention hook and is written for beginners and includes step-by-step explanations. It should start with a joke in French and end with one. So you could also give it a topic, and let's just say that we want our topic to be something like how to create content using Claude. So we could just simply tell it the topic being how to use Claude. 1 minute script. All right, so we have created what we want, and now all you need to do is just hit enter. So we've entered our script, and now Claude can generate content that follows that preferred style of scripts every single time. So it opens with a quick joke in French that is translated for non-French speakers. All right, so that is it. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can see that the joke also ends in French as well. So that is now our unique prompt that has been applied to Claude. Now, the next step is, or another example would be coding skills. So developers can actually create coding skills. Let's say you're a front-end developer and you want to write a clean code. You want to explain the changes that were made during the code and suggest improvements and follow the best practices. Basically, all you need to do is just simply write those down, tell Claude what you want, and let me show you this. This is what I meant by you prompting Claude as a programmer. So I just basically told it to review code, identify the bugs, explain issues clearly, and suggest optimized solutions. And we can prompt this, or we can create our skill in a unique way. Only do this when a line of code is dropped here. And that way Claude knows what to do when a line of code is dropped. So just simply send that in and it would help you standardize coding workflows and reduce repetitive instructions. So it has recognized a conditional instruction and it awaits your code submission. Basically, we've prompted Claude in a unique manner. That way, whenever this is dropped, whenever a code is dropped, it would first review the code, identify the bugs in the code, and then explain the issues clearly and suggest optimized solutions. All right, so now the next example of a skill you could try on Claude is for business. So businesses can create skills for recurring tasks. So let's say you want help with customer support, marketing, sales outreach, and data analysis. A customer support skill could automatically respond using your preferred tone and policies. How does this actually work? Basically, just simply write a prompt. I told you to include these whenever an email is dropped here, and then maybe add a sticker or a joke inside. That way we have a unique prompt if we ever dropped an email, and we also have a unique prompt if we ever drop code, and we also have a unique prompt whenever I request for a 1-minute script. Alright guys, so this is just surface level of prompting Claude. In order to create an actual skill on Claude, all you need to do is just click on customize, head into create new skill, click on that option, and then in the skill creator, all you need to do here is just go ahead and create a new skill and name it. So click on the plus for add a skill, click on create skill, and then where we have write skill instruction or create with Claude, you can do this, any of these, but let's go ahead and write a skill. So you can name the skill, let's say something like jokes on scripts, and then you can now describe it. So basically just describe what you want. All right, so I gave it a simple description, and now as for the instructions, the more detailed they are, the more useful your skill becomes. So you could just tell it to summarize and include the jokes at the start and end, full stop, and just go ahead and click on create. So now whenever a joke is requested, whenever you request for a 1-minute script, if you head into jokes on scripts here, it will just simply make use of this. So to trigger this, you could use a / command plus auto. That's how you can trigger it. To get the best results, you have to follow these instructions or practices. Be specific, define your tone, include examples, set clear goals, and test and refine. Treat your skills like training documents. The clearer the instructions, the better the output. And some popular skills people actually use in Claude in 2026 are YouTube script writing, SEO content creation, social media management, coding assistant, and business analysis. These skills can dramatically increase productivity for creators, freelancers, and businesses. And that is Claude Skills Explained. I'll see you in the next one.